It's like the hands of God on earth.
I've never been compared to God before. There it is.
It's like reminding me of popcorn crackling too.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking of. I was like, because when I was thinking of like the words that was coming out of my mouth, I was like, oh, it sounds like popcorn. Oh, I loved it. Yay!
And out.
Ooh,
There you go.
I've never had that one done before.
Really hope we get these. I think we will. These are gonna be like, I just can't wait to see her response to this. Your response to this is gonna be
Scared. I'm scared. No, I'm never. Like, I didn't know, like, my body was, like, this, like, rugged right now. I'm just going through it.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, press your elbow back. There we go.
What? Fun. Who knew?